Okay people, here's how it's gonna go. Today we got Solo.
Hey everyone.
And we're heading to get our third friend. Today's video is gonna be super bomb. We got swimming, we got hiking, we got horse riding, we got lunch. We got so much food. So stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome today. And let's go. Yeah. This guy right here is Nizar, aka Nizzy. He's a Canadian Lebanese guy that you will absolutely love.
What up, bro?
We picked up Nizar and drove south on the highway to an area called Jehliye. We heard it had lots of waterfalls, mountains, valleys, and hiking trails, so we had to explore it to see what the hype was about. It was a 45-minute drive with extremely beautiful scenery from sea views to mountains to old castles and villages. It was an absolute blast even before we reached our destination. Okay guys, so here's how it's gonna go. We just got to Jehliye village, which is one of the most beautiful areas here in the mountains of Lebanon, in the south that is. And as you can see on the screen, it's right by the river. We're heading on a trail, on a hiking trail, which is about 9 kilometers. It's gonna be super awesome, but first we gotta get some breakfast. And are you hungry guys?
So hungry.
Yeah. We're hungry, so let's check out how the breakfast is gonna be. Let's do it. Jehliye village is a restaurant/cafe by the river with an amazing aesthetic. It's a great destination to spend the day with your friends and family and an awesome escape from the metropolis of the city.
You'll be fine. You got yourself into this, get out of yourself. You got his leg stuck as well. Yalla, you're good. Get him a bat.
For breakfast we had saj manakish. For those who are new to the term, manakish is a Middle Eastern flatbread baked in an oven or on a flat stove connected to a gas canister. It comes in different flavors such as za'atar, cheese, and kishk, which is cracked groats with oil and onions. We paid $7 for 6 manakish. Now let's show you guys how it was. So guys, as you can see, we're starting to make the saj manakish. This is basically a flat piece of bread put on this, what do you call this, Nizar?
That's kishk.
No, I mean this like
that's the saj. Yeah.
So in English, how do you name it?
Flat saj. How would I name it? It's probably like a flat stove.
A flat stove, probably flat stove. As you can see, guys, it's starting to really crack up in here. There's a lot of hikers today, ready to head today. So this is kishk. See, there's a gas canister over here, and it's connected to the stovetop. And he's making the manakish right on top of it. Solo's recording his video. What up?
What up? How's it going? What's up, Theo? Ready for breakfast?
I am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay guys, so we just got our breakfast and let's start off, let's see how it is.
Dude, this is nice, hot, and crispy. I'm telling you. Let me get one of these. So I would say my favorite would have to be the za'atar. Second is cheese. Third is this thing I call kishk.
So he prefers the kishk, he prefers the za'atar, I prefer the jibne, which is the cheese.
That's funny. We all prefer something different.
So guys, we'll finish our breakfast and we'll start the hike. We'll take you with us. Stay tuned. Say something cool.
Something cool.
Okay guys, we just started the hike and we're taking you with us. Let's go.
Here's the trail.
Nizar. This is the pomegranate. See?
Okay, yeah, it closed up. Looks
Yeah.
like flower first and then it closes up.
Yeah.
And then it gets all its nutrients, it gets bigger, 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 and then you take off the pomegranate.
Photosynthesis 101. Let's go. So we're heading to check out the windmill. Let's see how it is. One of the nice things here in the hike, check this out. They've made handmade trash cans so you don't throw garbage here. So in case you come here for hiking, don't forget, please don't throw any garbage. You got, actually it's not a can, it's like garbage wooden basket. So when you come here, if you go hiking here, please don't throw any trash on the ground. Make sure to put it in the basket. You know guys, one of the things that I'm really surprised about is how beautiful Lebanon is. I'm a local, he's a local, and we've never seen this much beauty in Lebanon. We didn't know that this much beauty exists.
And I did not know Lebanon is beautiful.
Definitely, definitely. Check this out, people, look. Look at this. This is so amazing. So guys, as you're walking on the trail, you can see there's canals all over the trail, and these canals are the ones that get into the mill. They used it to ground the wheat, and they use it also to water the plants here. And there's trapdoors, as you can see on the screen. This is a trapdoor. It stops the plants from getting overwatered so they don't die. So let's continue. So guys, we just stopped to take a breath, to drink some water, and it's going so beautiful right now. Let's see the guys what they think. What do you think, Nizar? How's it going?
It's very nice. I like the views. I'm a really big fan of water flow, so I'm glad I'm able to see these beautiful waterfalls. And I really like how it's been a historical place and how they've set this place up to water up plants and millstone stone wheat like we talked about earlier. Pretty cool.
What do you think, Salah?
It's awesome. I can't believe Lebanon has, as I said, such a beautiful place like this. This is actually my first nature place I've seen so far in Lebanon, which is great. And I can't wait to see more of it.
Definitely.
Right across from us there's a restaurant just in the middle of this natural nature trail. It's awesome. So that being said, guys, come to Lebanon. It's well worth it.
Definitely, definitely. Don't miss coming here. So let's continue the hike. You ready?
We're ready.
Go!
Oh, let's go. Let's do it. Come on,
Let's go.
Gotta go.
Time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and the beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight.
So we just reached like the upper part of the mountain. As you can see, we're sweating. What do you think? How's it going so far?
It's going great. I like it. It's a nice hike. You get a nice workout in.
Yeah, but we gotta work on our fitness level. I have a fitness level of an 85-year-old.
Shine a little tonight.
So we just got to this place. It's right next to the river, and there's cafes all over. And as you can probably hear, everybody is trying to outsound the other with their music. Like really, I don't understand these people. Like one comes to nature, to a hike, to enjoy the sounds, to enjoy the soothing sound of the river, to enjoy the soothing sound of the trees, the air going through the trees. Seriously, what is this? Check this out, guys.
Nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. No, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, let's control.
Okay, guys, here's the thing. These two guys don't want to go swimming. And I just told them if they don't go swimming, I'll push them in. So, what do you think? Bro, we gotta swim, we gotta swim. We came here to swim, bro. Yeah, man.
Don't put me on the spot like that, dude.
Yeah, you have to be.
I'm just
You have to
chilling
be.
right now, you know?
Solo, we gotta go swimming.
I don't. We'll see. We'll see.
Solo, don't let me push you, I swear to God. I'll push you in right now. I don't care. Give me the okay.
Yes, yes.
Khalas? Promise? Guys, if he doesn't swim, unsubscribe to him and dislike his videos. Ah! Yo! Yalla, I'll change, guys, and I'll see you in the water. I'm not literally in the water, but you get the point. Tarzan, hey! Yo, careful, careful! Oh my God, that was close! No, it didn't stop. It didn't stop. Easy does it, easy does it. Yeah, I saw you.
That was insane. Dude, that was crazy. Oh my God. Glad you're alright.
But you gotta do it again, head first.
No, I'm good.
No, you're not. You gotta do it again, head first.
I don't think I could do it again. I like lost my shorts halfway down. I was like, oh crap.
The horse riding guy canceled on us, so we had to find another one. But we're not gonna finish this video without getting some horse rides. Have you ever been on a horse, Nizar?
No, I've met a horse.
Never in my life? Your life?
Never in your life. Yeah, I'd like to go there. Yeah.
Yo,
I'm excited to go.
I am excited too. Have you been on a horse before?
Yes, I have.
Almost sit there. Really? You tried horse riding before? You're not with us. That guy. So, we'll get dressed.
Back to one of the horse riding champions.
What?
They used to call me Mr. Horse Rider.
Mr. Horse Rider.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
right.
was right.
So guys, we just finished swimming and now we're heading to the beginning of the hike where we first started to go to the horse riding stable. Do you call it stable? The horse riding club, I think. And it's gonna be awesome. Thank God we found another one because the first one canceled on us. And it was like, the new one is like double the price. But we wanted to show you guys, and plus we were like really excited, especially because I've never been on a horse and Nizar's never been on a horse. So that's it. So I will see you guys where the driver is. guys, we just got off the car and we've arrived to the horse club, horse stable,
Horse stable.
horse stable.
We're gonna go for a ride on the horse.
Definitely. We gotta go inside now, see the guy in charge here. But first, check this out. Check out these guys. We're taking these bad boys for a ride. You ready, guys?
Yeah, I should have brought some carrots or like an apple, but like.
Yeah, I wish we had some carrots, bro. That would have been awesome. Oh, look, we got some people here coming in on the horses. You excited?
Yeah, I can't wait.
You excited?
Let's just go, man. Let's do it.
Am I excited? Yes, I am. Let's go. Check this out. Yo, check out the size of this thing. Whoa. A lot of beautiful horses here. Check out this guy, this girl. I don't know if it's a guy or a girl. Check out this guy. Oh, that's scary. Check out this guy as well. Check out this big bad boy.
Hey.
That's awesome, bro. He wants you to pet him. I think he wants you to pet him.
You put him on the nose,
Just
right?
don't bite. I don't think horses bite. Do they bite? Do horses bite? I don't know.
Don't be so loud, bro.
Yeah, definitely. Hello.
How are you?
Can you pet the horse? Wow, look at that big guy petting the horse. هيدا ما شاء الله كبير. So guys, we're about to ride the horses right now. This is mine. So today I'm riding with Star. Yeah. Yeah. Yalla, Star. Yeah. Let's go, babe. Yeah. It's going awesome. Come on. How's it going, bro? How's Shakespeare with you? Whoop whoop. Yo, you gotta let me know before you do this kind of stunts, bro. Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is it. We'll meet you guys when we finish horse riding. So, let's go. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we just got back to the club and Star threw me off. And that's not an issue, but the problem is it's the same arm that got dislocated, got all the fall. Thank God she didn't fall on me, or that would have been a disaster. I got some battle wounds, but it's going good. We good? I'm good. You good?
Shake it off.
Like and subscribe right now. As you can see, we just finished the day and it was an awesome day. What do you think, guys?
Oh, it was great. I really enjoyed the horseback riding at the end. I got
Yeah,
a
me
horse
too.
that wanted to, you know, just book it. It just wanted to run. And even when he got kicked off by his horse called Star, Star started running. My horse was called Turbo. Turbo was like, "Yo, I'm not gonna let Star like
Yeah.
beat me home. I'm gonna just run with her."
Eat my dust.
Yeah, my horse was just chilling, but I had a great day. I just love to see the nature.
His horse was Shakespeare.
Shakespeare,
You know, the cool vibe.
هاي
great with literature.
هاي كيفك؟
مين؟
ماشي حال؟ باي. قول باي.
Hi, bye.
Bye. Okay, guys. Anything more, guys, to say?
Just so far, I'm having a great time in Lebanon, and I wish you guys can see it.
Definitely, definitely. Now, every single location we've been to today, you're going to find it linked in the description if you want to come here, along with the phone numbers. If you contact me on Instagram, I'll send you the phone numbers directly if you want the number for the horse club, or what did we do this morning?
We went
Or
to
the hiking guide or something.
Yeah, saw the waterfall. We saw many.
Yeah, definitely.
Villagers.
So, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. We enjoyed making it. I hope you enjoy watching it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, also subscribe. and I will see you guys in the next one.
Peace, guys.
Gave him a lot